Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in the previous video, if you will see, we did about how you will install your Roblox Studio in your laptop, right? Now we will start our game. How you will start to create any game. Okay? So, first thing, I will ask you some question. Have you ever played any obstacle game or a platform game before, like Super Mario, Sonic, etc.? So today we are going to create Obby game. Okay, in this video we will create Obby game. So first thing, Obby means what? This is a Roblox game, right? So this is the 3D game which we will create today. So we can say this is an obstacle game, or we can say this is the obby game. Here players jump from one object to another while avoiding some obstacles to get to the end of the game or level. Okay. So here we need to just jump. Okay. So first thing, if you will see this is your Roblox studio. Okay. We have to open this Roblox studio. Okay, over here if you will see, what is this new is it means what? If you want to create a new game, so you need to just click on the new. After that we have a my game. So whatever game we will create, that is storing here. Okay, so you will get your game list here. After that we have our recent means whatever game we created, that you will get here. So this is our some tools we can see. Okay, after that we have all these templates like a base plate, classic base plate, flat terrain, concert, village, castle. So even you can use all this template also for your project. Okay, so if I will click in this obby, so first we will see what is the obby game. After that we will start. So once you will click on that, automatically that template will load here. Okay, after that once you will click on that, here we have all the toolbox like we have a select. If you want to select any object, we have a move. Suppose whatever object you will select, suppose this one, how we can move. So you need to just click on that. So this is like a wherever you want you can move. After that we have a scale means you can large or shrink that object. So this is just tool boxes. After that we have a rotate. If you want to rotate any object, for that we can use all these things, which is your move, scale, rotate. Okay, after that we have like a how you will test this project. So as you can see, we have this play button. You need to just click on the play, or else we can press the F5 button, automatically that will play. Okay, so from here we need to start. This is so here we need to use all the arrows like up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. This all are the arrows we have to use. So how you will move now, you need to just press your up arrow, down arrow, wherever you want you can move that. Okay, suppose see oh, now this player will not visible to you. Okay, so let's create this game. So from this stop button, even we can stop the execution. Okay, now we will see how you will create this game if you want to create your own obby game. Okay, so in this game basically we have to add some obstacles. Okay, this is the first need we have to add here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to go to the file, click on new. So you will get your new file here. Okay, Perfect. After that, once you will click on the create new project, what will happen? You will get your new project here. Okay. Now what we have to do? So here we have this base plate, right? So as you can see, there is a base plate and an object with a sign on it, right? This one. So this is called a spawn location. So we can say what is the meaning of spawn location. So spawn location is the starting point from where the player will start the game, and also if the player dies they will come back to this location to start the game again. So this is your spawn location. So we can have multiple spawn location to our game. It is not like we have only one, we can add multiple. So as you can see on this base plate template, we have a spawn location. Okay. So after that, what we will do now, we have to add something here. Okay. So if you will click on this base plate, you will get your spawn location and base plate. Already we have this, but if you want to add the manually, you need to just search here, suppose spawn location. You will get that in the explorer window. This is your explorer window. Okay. Or else what we can do, suppose you want to delete this base plate, you need to just right click, you will get your delete option. Or else suppose whatever object you will add, if you want any other object, you don't want that, you can just right click on any particular object, you can delete that. So in this way we can delete any object also. Okay. After that, we need to just click on this workspace. Even you can rename this workspace. You can just right click, and if you want to insert any object, insert any part, insert from file, if you want to uncrop anything what you want, you can just do here. Okay. After that, we will see how you will add anything here. Suppose we want to add some blocks. So if you will click on the part, you will get some block here. Suppose I want to add this block, you will get that. Now as you can see, this block is here, but what we want to move this. So first you need to select on move. Now you can move that object, because in the Obby game we need to add some obstacles, right? After that, suppose we want big size, so you need to click on scale. You can just enlarge this, like, okay. Suppose you want to change the color, what you can do, you need to just click on this color, whatever color you want according to your choice, you can add that. See, now we have a two thing. Even you can change this base plate color also. We need to just click here. Okay. Suppose now we want to add our second object, which is sphere. So you will get your sphere. See, even we can enlarge that. So this is, suppose this is the third obstacle. I want this little bit here. Okay. After that, what we can do now, we can add some other object, which is send. Again, you will get this here. Okay. Now how you will test this? So in the Obby game, basically what is this, we have to add some obstacles, right? So we need to just click on the play button. So what you will get now, you will get some obstacle here. So as you can see, we added only three obstacle, but in your game you can add multiple obstacles also. Now see, this is our player. So you can rotate your player like this. So as you can see, we have all these obstacles, right? See, as you can see. Okay, so in this way we can add the other things also, even if you want to add any model. So here we have all that model. You need to just search for that. Suppose if you will search for Obby, you will get Obby parts. Once you will click on that, you will get stairs, Obby part choice, moving platform. You will get rainbow Obby part. So here we have a different models. So you can add any model. Suppose I want the stairs. You need to just double click on that, click on OK. Automatically the stair will add. Okay. Now it will take little bit time. This is like a what is your laptop configuration. If your laptop configuration is very good, you will get that very quickly. Now once you will click on the play button, so you will get your stairs now. Okay, so in this way you can create the Obby game. Okay, so you have to create the game and you have to give me the link. So see, as you can see here we have the stair. See, you will get that stair. Okay, so like this we can create our Obby game. Next part, how you will save this project. You need to go to the file, save to the file. Okay, or is what we can do, first we can save this file. So what will happen next time? If you want, you will get, click on save. Okay, so in this way we can save our file also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a great day.